City first. Only Isabella Sloan, she was the only other person on this tour who was actually born here. Born in Sioux City in 1860, Monkrath was. He clerked for his father, who was in the German book business. He worked as a lathe operator in the 1880s. Later, in 1885, he bought the Tremont Hotel and operated that until the 1890s. However, Monkrath's claim to fame: he is the only person who was convicted of a crime for the assassination of Prohibitionist Minister George Haddock. So that was in 1886. But because there was no proof that Monkrath actually shot Haddock, he was only accused of manslaughter. He was sentenced to 5 years in prison. However, he only served 3 months and was pardoned by the governor of Iowa. The only person who was convicted in the assassination of George Haddock, Reverend Minister, in 1886. We're moving just a little bit over here to JCC Hospital.